In this development, we are going to have residential here, we are going to have industrial here, we are going to have schools here. This animal called Nkosi, which I'm always saying it's a people's city, because you remember this city has been fought by its own people. And that is going to succeed me. He or she should be able to know the IDP because it is in paper. But with Nkosi, it was very amazing. Every official coming or politician, they will not know about it. Also, there were a lot of institutions that want to put the president when he speaks, and we were about to be arrested and whatnot. And eventually, we had an opportunity to meet with, may he rest in peace, the then Minister Collins Chabane. This main road, we are going to call it Collins Chabane Road, because we met with the late Collins Chabane and the then Minister of State Security, who is now a Minister for Telecommunication, Minister Siyabonga Xwele, after they were assigned to meet with us by the President. And then they met with us to explain. And all what they said this is a perfect project. It fits to the National Development Plan. It is the integrated sustainable development strategy. Actually, who doesn't want this project? So now it will see the light of the day because it is the will of the people.
We had a vision, a vision that we want to change the landscape of the area. Now, and the unemployable. You see, when a person is unemployed, my father is also unemployable because of many other reasons. One of the main is education.
That is not only going to assist in Nkosi City new residential or new dwellers. It's going to uplift, or it is going to assist offload the pressure of water in the entire municipality. Or registering household, because the law said you must register each and every household of what 2P, so that they become direct beneficiaries. The people of Nkosi City of what 2 are going to be the primary beneficiaries. The others are secondary, meaning that they are going to be the first one to be trained as cooperatives.
There are service providers who are going to register and train local, and in the variety of fields. And there's 25.3 billion. One of the training is going to be ABET. We're going to train old people, and we're going to reskill our people and instill patriotism. So we're going to be financial sector, construction sector, food sector, whatsoever. So our people will be trained and they will be qualified.
I've been told about this development months and months ago, and it was something that we wouldn't believe that could be happening in the rural areas of Mpumalanga. The government in many ways has promised us these things all along the line. They've promised their people these things, but it's taken an individual with an enormous amount of initiative, an enormous amount of guts, and an enormous amount of cheek to get to the point where now one can actually see things happening. You know,
it's one of its own kind. It never happened. It never happened.